Today we'll talk about how can you enable backup on your Truecaller app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do to enable it, just go here above your photo here, photo profile, just click on your profile here. So then here automatically it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on general. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Just scrolling down here until you will find here backup. Just click on this sign here. So then here you just wait in here to show for you here your Google here. So it's going to show for you like this. You're scrolling down here, click here on continue here, then automatically it's going to back up with you on your Truecaller app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking